One of the best ways to have a fun, exciting session with high tension and great pacing and have everyone invested, one of the best tricks ever is actually to just have a somewhat awkward conversation with players before the campaign starts, before the session starts. The earlier, the better. When the group just comes together, have a chat about what your expectations are for the campaign, what you want to vaguely or broadly, I want to say, maybe vaguely accomplish, and how they can really help you to accomplish that. And put little pressure on them. Just say, we're just here to have a fun time all. And how you can help me is to keep, primarily, this is the greatest thing you can do for me, keep the meta channels to a minimum, please. Meta channels are the out of game talk, the memes, the what did I do in the week, anything that is detracting from the game right now. Keywords there is to a minimum. When any player mentions something, oh, this reminds me of that, I need to share with the group, that will always happen. We all have short attention spans. Don't get angry at each other. But by communicating that up front and asking players, are you all okay with that? Are you guys going to help me? I understand that it will happen. Can we just generally please try and mostly focus on the game? We'll have a break in the middle. If you do need to say something, wait for the tension to be in a bit of a lull. At least let us, if you feel there's nice tension in the scene, please don't break that, because that breaks the immersion for everyone else. Have that expectation set up front. Because now if players will all falter, yes, we'll make mistakes. Players will go, sorry, I kind of realize we've all agreed to this. If the expectations are set, if that agreement was reached, players will self-police at least a little bit more. It'll never be perfect. I get that. But have that chat. This is more a people skills thing. But it's necessary for RP. Sit down with your players and ask what are your expectations for this session? How much downtime do you want? How long a break do you want in the middle? How heavy do you want us to just talk about memes and, out of game things and just have a little social get together? Maybe your player is there, maybe one player is there mainly for the RP and the other one's really just there to catch up with people. They may or may not be a good fit for your group, but don't wait for that. We've all been in those groups where players get frustrated with each other and that's carried on for too long. And then resentment boils over and whatever. And that could have been circumvented. What's the word I'm looking for? That could have been avoided by merely having a frank discussion up front. There's no right or wrong. I just need to listen to you as players. What do you want from this? And here's what I want. All I want is for me to maintain tension. This is like being an orchestra conductor. It's difficult. Sometimes the players do something I didn't expect, and they take me in strange directions. And we're all going to go, oh, where does this go to next? I mean, all of us as GMs. Oh dear, we have to improvise so much. And maintaining tension is difficult. So tell players, this is tricky, you all know. How you can help me is to try and focus with what I'm giving you and what's going on in-game and keep the meta channels and the out-of-game talk to a minimum as far as possible. Please help me. If they agree to that, they'll be better. They'll try and stick to it. Most people would as decent people. Hopefully that'll help you guys. This is one of the toughest things to do. But if you pull it off, your group will have more respect for each other's time. That's also what it is, respecting each other's time and wishes, and want everyone else to have their vision of what the game should be, ideally a compromise and a vision where everyone can get a bit of what they want. Ideal stuff, but must be done. Thanks all. Have a good day.